Go me, get off. I need to do my
Sue,
homework.
it's not fair. You're always on it.
I don't care. Get off. Who is Pure Heart Grillo? Agashe. Sup. This Sue. Who might this cutie be?
Sue? Is that the volleyball, Sue? Oh my god, what did I say? Okay. Send.
Lupa mo doon eh. Got a pics? Dang! She hot. I got her so tall and boo. She aight. Damn, she actually pretty hot.
Whoa, damn. You gonna meet up with her?
Gonna try. BRB. Let you know.
Oh my god, he wants to meet? Sure, Friday at the mall. 6 p.m.?
Có lô bè rồi nó có lô xua thích thọc cũng chỉ có rồi li nè chúa cô đã chỉ lo nè san trong thật coi cô đẹp thích cô lo tức chỉ ngon na loạn gạo internet loạn gạo internet pure heart
Man, I can't wait to see her. Cô dệt dệt tà giờ.
Giờ you do tiếng này giờ you chừng hãy coi trả hết nà.
Tom, thầm đá na. Why you so nervous? Cô bỏ mà. 다시 이거 같이 안에 좀 바꾸고 저 세타나. Don't worry.
Don't
got
worry,
your
you
back.
got it. Mình bắt à.
Man, it's past 6 rồi na. Where is she?
Ito lung con nhớ bé.
Oh, you're there. Bây giờ tôi đỡ. No, that can't be her. Tôi đỡ, ít nhất bù rồi là na.
Bù thế trong bò à.
Yeah. Tom, I think it is her. She's walking this way.
Sue?
Oh my god, it is her. Ôi chao.
Thảo, tôi cho chị thả mà.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, all right, boo. Guess I'll just go talk to her. Hey.
Sue? Is that you?
Oh, actually, I'm Boo. Sue's actually over there. He wanted me to tell you that, you're so pretty.
Oh, sorry. Hi, Boo. Is he shy?
Oh, no, not at all. You just go over there.
Okay. Ooh, Thảo chân nhảy lâu. Hi, Sue. Boo over there told me that you think I'm pretty. You're so hot. Huh?
Hello? Hello?
아니 졌다. 마라카. You ditch me.
Ah, not me. I went to the bathroom. Whatever, Tall. You the one who drove us home.
You don't know what I'm going through. This is not funny. I bought you Jingda Sue. She thinks I'm flirting.
But you the one that said, Boo Tejong Boy.
I'm serious. This is not funny. I can't believe you guys did this to me.
Em Boo, tớ tớ bể vào tớ nâng cái ná. Cho đá sư, cho đá sư.
Sue, time to talk for mom.
Boo, are you for real?
Cô có lô bè, rồi nó có lô xua.